Hey, welcome back to Pine Ridge Garage. I'm Mike and I've got a new project that we're going to begin. If you've been watching any of my past videos, you've probably seen this thing in the background. What I'm talking about is this 1976 Camaro Rally Sport, second generation. I know. A bunch of you have always been wondering, when am I gonna start on this project? So let's take a walk around. About 7 years ago, I moved it from my house garage out here to the pole barn. Put it up on jack stands and here it sits. It's actually in pretty good shape. Rocker panels and stuff. But of course, Camaros have been notorious for, they'll get moisture down in different areas and they start rusting. This has had 2 paint jobs. So in 1980, my dad, who was a body and paint man for over 40 years, and so in 1980 we painted this. And this originally was a decal from the factory. Well, we color matched the colors and painted the stripes on. Then we clear coated over the whole car. And as you can see, it's crazed and just not in good shape anymore. So of course, my dad's no longer alive, but in the past we would have probably just done a chemical stripper on it. But I see a lot of people doing, a lot of guys are just sanding them down back to bare metal. So let me know in the comments below your experience. Chemical paint stripper or sanding things back down. I really don't want to get into doing a full-on sandblast. I'm not doing that kind of restoration, but we're going to go through the mechanical stuff. Lots to do, but first step is to get this body work done. So inside though, look at the floor pans. They are in really good shape. This area right here is I'm gonna have to do something with this area right here. Heater core broke on it, and it's got some pinholes in it, so we'll deal with that. We'll go through, we'll probably eventually take some more of this interior out, the rest of it, go through that. But yeah, so like I say, down through the years I've been working on, I've taken interior all completely out. About a year ago I started on some body work here. Cut out that panel. It was getting a little rusty, as you can see, down there and there. So I've got the new ones getting ready. Inside of the trunk's in really good shape. I'm gonna also, just like I did on this other side, take this piece out and do a patch panel on this. You can see that's needs repaired, replaced. Same thing down here. Rockers, everything is in really good shape. This fender's got some soft spots, so we'll patch panel that, or possibly replace the whole panel. Let me know what you guys think and have done, whether it's replace the panel or just patch it. Leave me some comments down below. A year or so ago I pulled the motor and transmission out of it. She's in really good shape overall. Little backstory on this is I've had this Camaro since 1980. Bought it the summer after I graduated high school for my cousin. it needed a motor. So I found a 1976 motor, 350 small block, out of a Corvette, which would have been an L82 motor. So definitely from the mid 70s there, they're detuned. I'll get some more specs as time goes. 350 turbo transmission. It's got a Chevy 12 bolt or GM 12 bolt rear end with 411 gears. So it was a fun car. So I've been dragging this around for 35 years. It's been stored, inside storage. You may ask, why did you have it for 35 years and not do anything? Well, I asked that question myself a lot. Of course, my kids all thought I should be working on it, and it's definitely something I should have been. But so as I work on this, I'll have more stories and details and specifications to share on the Camaro. Back in the day when we were running this car, like I say, ran it in the summertime only from 1980 through 1987. I only drove it in the summertime. So never saw any winters with me. Prior to that, I don't think it had much for winters. It's gonna be an awesome car to get rolling and get back on the road again. Hope you guys will come along with us as I progress through this project. Let me know different comments on your second generation Camaros, if you have any. So along with this project, I've also got that project truck, the Iron Duke C900, Ford C900 cab over. Working on these two projects down through the next several months. So looking forward to putting out videos as often as possible. Please hit that like button, share this with others, hit the subscribe button to the channel, please do that, and then hit that bell, and that's that'll send you notifications when new videos come out. So remember, make sure you're having fun while you're getting it done. So I think I'll go over here and get a little cold snack. Get one of these Bush lattes. So whoosh. Anyways, I think we'll have this little refreshment as a kind of ponder the project. Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching, and remember, have fun while you're getting it done. Bye.